आज पढ़ेंगे फाइलम क्वाड्रेटा के बारे में। फाइलम क्वाड्रेटा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे आज। क्वाड्रेट्स क्या is फाइलम chordata. Phylum Chordata include 45,000 species. It includes about 45,000 species. 45,000 species are placed in this phylum. This phylum is a highly advanced phylum in kingdom Animalia. Highly advanced phylum in kingdom Animalia. These are the eukaryotes. These are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes means having true nucleus. Eukaryotes means cell possess true nucleus. All animals of kingdom Animalia possess true nucleus. True nucleus, and all are multicellular. All are multicellular. All are ingestive heterotrophs. Ingestive heterotroph means they have ability to intact the food material. Means when they intact food and digest inside the body, they have ability to digest food material inside the body. Organisms having ability to digest material inside the body that are known as ingestive heterotrophs is like a human being, is like cat, is like dog. These all are the ingestive chordates. Means in other organisms that are known as absorptive heterotroph, that are the fungus, that are not a member of the kingdom Animalia, that are placed in kingdom fungi, but they have ability of absorption. They digest outside the body by the help of enzymes and then absorb it. That's why we can say that are the absorptive heterotrophs. Ingestive, multicellular heterotroph, and these are metazoans. Metazoans means multicellular animals. Multicellular animals. Meta means multi, zone means animal. Multicellular animals. One are the multicellular animals and other are the multicellular plants. Multicellular plants, metaphytes. Metaphytes. Meta means multi, phyton means plant. Multicellular plants are named as metaphytes, and multicellular animals are known as metazoans. And other one is eumetazone. True, eu means true, meta means true multicellular animals. U means true, metazoans True multicellular animals are those organisms that at least possess the tissue, organ, and organ system level of organization. In kingdom Animalia, though two type of organisms are present. One are known as eumetazons and other are known as parazoons. Organisms that are the parazoons that are placed in kingdom Animalia, especially in group parazoons, and other are the eumetazons from phylum Nidaria, Nidaria to Chordata. All are the member of eumetazons. True multicellular animals. True multicellular animal means true eumetazons. You can see here. True multicellular animals means animals having a tissue, organ, and organ system. At least they should possess the tissues. At least means the lowest complexity is the tissue for the eumetazone, and highest complex position is the organ system. Chordates are highly developed organisms, are highly advanced organisms of phylum, the kingdom, or you can say the kingdom Animalia. That's why these organisms possess tissue, organ, and organ system. All type of organs are well developed. In chordates, all organ systems are well developed, such as such as such as digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, nervous system, etc. And we will discuss about the systems of different organisms. We have the uh, members of chordates, especially their classes. We will discuss one by one. Their classes we will discuss one by one, and also any one organism will be means in detail. Phylum chordates organism possess the organ system. Organ system is well developed. They have well developed organ systems, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and so on and so forth. That all are well developed in these organisms. Phylum chordates, these are the due, these are triploblastic first, triploblastic during embryonic development. Embryonic development develop three germinal layers. one is ectodrum, other one is endodrum, third one is mesodrum. Ectodrum, endodrum, and mesodrum. These are the three germinal layers that should be present in these organisms during the embryological development. So the organisms of this group should possess ectodrum, endodrum, and mesodrum. Ectodrum, endodrum, and mesodrum. These are known as a germinal layers because because during germination, or here you can say the embryonic development, these are germinal layers develop into body parts, or we can say the organs. During germination, embryonic development, these all germinal layers develop into body parts. So, ectodrum develop the external body parts, and endodrum develop the internal body structures and blood vessels, and also glands and few other things. While mesodrum is very important because that develop into the mesodrum. Mesodrum develop coelom. Organisms of phylum Chordata, these are coelomate. Why these are the coelomate? Having true body cavity, or we can say the coelom. So, students, you must understand what is the coelom. Coelom is the body cavity. What is coelom? We must here discuss what is coelom. This is also known as body cavity. A cavity which is mesodermal, in origin. Coelom is the body cavity, a cavity which is mesodermal in origin. Mesodermal in origin means we have a cavity. That cavity possesses the visceral organs. We have cavity means the organisms that are placed in phylum Chordata that possess specific cavity and having viscera, yeah, visceral organs. Dear students, you must understand what is the coelom. Means when we cut the body, internally we have a chamber-like structure, and in this chamber-like structure possesses the different organs that are known as a viscera. Viscera means visceral organs means organs that are present and coelom. These visceral organs are organs are very important and sophisticated. Visceral organs should present means what is a coelom? Here we have discussed coelom means a cavity which is mesodermal in origin and having viscera. Viscera means that are the sophisticated organs. What are these sophisticated organs? That are the your digestive system, your means liver, kidney, and other sophisticated organs that are the boneless organs. When we cut the fish, when we cut the cock or hen, internally there is presence of a bunch of organs. That bunch of sophisticated organs are known as a viscera. And deuterostomes, we are the deuterostomes. Deu means after, stoma means mouth. Deuterostomes means organism develop their anus from the blastopore, or you can say develop first anus, then mouth from blastopore. Deuterostomes are the organisms that develop anus first, then mouth. So the organisms that are the deuterostomes that belongs to phylum Echinodermata, phylum Hemichordata, and Chordata. In your uh, paper 3, only deuterostomes are placed. Means two phyla. One is the phylum Hemichordata and other is the phylum Chordata. These both are the member of deuterostomes, organisms that are placed in your paper 3 that are the two phyla. One is phylum Hemichordata and other is the phylum Chordata. These both are the deuterostomes. In the next one, phylum Chordata, they have specific characters. They have specific characters that are known as basic characters. Basic characters. In these basic characters, one is the notochord and other one is the nerve chord or hollow dorsal tubular nerve chord. And third one is the pharyngeal gill slits. Dear students, fourth one is the tail, but that is exceptional. Fourth one is a tail, but that is exceptional. So you must keep in mind, these are not permanent character inside the body in the vertebrates. These are four characters that mostly develop during the embryonic conditions. When during embryonic conditions, these characters develop And these characters are very important during the embryological conditions. One is, here you can see, that is a notochord. Other one is a nerve cord. Third one is a pharyngeal gill slit. Fourth one is a tail. These all four characters are very important because these are especially embryological characters, means organisms that belongs to phylum chordata that should develop these four characters. Without these four characters, that are not member of the phylum chordata. During embryological conditions, these characters develop. In phylum chordata, there are two type of organisms. One are the invertebrate chordates that develop these characters, these four characters, and cannot convert it into other one. While other are the vertebrate chordates. That vertebrate chordates have ability to convert notochord into vertebral column, and hollow dorsal tubular nerve cord converted into CNS. CNS is nothing, that is a central nervous system. So this is a CNS. CNS include, one is the brain and other is the spinal cord. One is brain, another is a spinal cord. One is notochord, other one is hollow. Hollow means this is in this way. This, for example, this is an embryo. You can see here, this is an embryo. It possesses dorsally a tube-like structure. This is known as hollow dorsal tubular nerve cord. And this one is a hollow. Hollow means this is a tube-like structure. Dorsal means this is towards the back side. Tubular means that is a tube-like. Hollow dorsal tubular nerve cord. You can see here, hollow dorsal tubular nerve cord means this is a tubular in structure and this is hollow. And it possesses fluid. That fluid is known as a CSF fluid. CSF fluid. Cerebro spinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid is present here. Means we can fill this one. You can this also in this mechanism in this way. End of this one. In other structures available here. This is known as notochords. This one is known as notochords. And this you can see here. And here is availability of pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. Dear students, are you understanding me? This is the embryo of any chordate. And this chordate embryo possesses four basic characters. This one is a tail, but this tail is exceptional. In few organisms it develop, and few it do not. It's like the human being. We cannot develop the tail, but other organisms have ability to develop the tail. Hollow dorsal tubular nerve cord, and other is the tail. So the organisms, third one, that is the pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits in aquatic converted into gills, while in terrestrial it converted into, it vanished, do not required. So how pharyngeal gill slits form? Pharyngeal is the out pocketing of the pharynx. In pharynx region, pharyngeal gill slits are pharyngeal gill slits. This is the out pocketing of, this is the out pocketing of pharynx region. Dear student, you must understand the basic characters, especially the hollow dorsal tubular notochord, notochord, pharyngeal gill slits that develop especially in the invertebrate chordates. Invertebrate chordates, invertebrate chordates only and only develop these basic characters, cannot means convert into the further. One is the notochord and other one is the notochord and other is the pharyngeal gill slits. And other one is the tail. So my dear students, these are the basic characters. These all four characters remain same. It might be vanished away, but mostly that remains same. Notochord, notochord and pharyngeal glands, the gill slits remain same. But the chordates that belongs to the vertebrata group, that's known as vertebrate chordates. Vertebrate chordates that develop notochord into vertebral column and notochord into C in its pharyngeal gill slits, gill slits into gills are vanished. While the tail is not means permanent or permanently for all organisms. So it's all about today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss further. So thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.